Sometimes YouTube algorithm recommends something that just weird. You are scrolling, watching the usual stuff, and then suddenly, there it is, a video which is million hours long. Normally we see 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or maybe 2-3 hours long video. But this channel uploaded a video that is 294 hours long. There is a short which is 150 hours long. And then the craziest one of all, a video that claims to be 1.2 million hours long. Do the math, that is 51,440 days or 140 years. And it feels like I walked into a glitch in the matrix. I mean, how is that even possible? We all know YouTube has limits. You can't just upload a century long movie. The platform is capped at 12 hours for uploads and the file size limit is 256 GB. So is this a bug? Is it a trick? Or YouTube just broken? Now, this isn't the first time we have seen this. If you have been on the weird side of YouTube long enough, you remember the F25 key video that is 223 hours long, or the 100 hours of saxophone, or the 11,000 hours game of 2048. There's actually a whole playlist of these longest video on YouTube which you can check out and see the longest video is still available. But this channel is mysterious with no name. The location is said to be North Korea. The description of the first video has this cryptic text that translates to "Come meet me in hell." And when you search it on YouTube, it shows you a different infamous creepy videos. And in the second video, there's a reference to Malbeck's Black Square, a famous painting that's just a black square. The description says it is rumored that after watching this video long enough, you will start seeing things. It feels like an ARG, augmented reality game, designed to freak us out. Anyway, I start looking at the code, and what I found is actually way more interesting and solve this mystery. See, you can't upload these videos through the YouTube app or the website. If you tried, the system would just reject it. The only way to pull this off is to bypass the front door entirely and use the developer's backdoor, the YouTube Data API. To understand how they did it, I opened up the stats for nerds on that 294 hours long video, and the answer was staring right at me. The resolution is 256 into 144. The frame rate is 6 FPS. Think about it. It's barely a video, it's a highly compressed emptiness. And that's the first part of the trick. YouTube's limit isn't really time, it's a file size. If you render a video that is 100% black pixels with no sound at an incredibly low bitrate, the file size is basically nothing. You can fit thousands, millions hours of black screen into a file that is still under that 256 GB limit. The computer sees valid data even if it's just an empty data, but that still leaves the 12-hour time limit. How do you get past that? I'm not a developer, but there is something called the resumable upload protocol. Basically, they likely use a script, a piece of code to start the upload. They might tell YouTube, hey, I'm sending a 10-minute video. YouTube says, okay, go ahead. Then they pass it. When they resume the upload, the system skips the duration check and goes straight to checking the file size. Since the file is under size limit, the server just accepts it. They essentially trick the system into thinking it's a normal video, and then YouTube just publish it like a normal video. But here is interesting thing in other video, that 1.2 million hours long video. If you try to play it on the web, it actually shows it's just 12 hours long video. Why the difference? This is likely hex manipulation. They probably used a hex editor to change the file's internal level that basically slapped a sticker on a 12-hour video that says I am 1.2 million hours long. YouTube reads the sticker and puts it on the thumbnail. And what about those 150 hours shorts? That's a classification glitch. YouTube decides if a video is a short based on two things: time or aspect ratio. Usually it has to be under 3 minutes, where They use resumable protocol to tell it's a 3 minutes video, but to classify in charts, they either need 9:16 vertical format or 1:1 square format. And when you look in these short states, its resolution says 316 to 360 at 6 fps, which fulfill the square format criteria and get published as a short. So that was it. It's a clever user exploiting compression, API loopholes, and metadata tricks to break the system. I haven't tried this myself because I don't know how they actually use the script and do all that stuff at technical level, but the findings make sense. But I am also curious, are there any tech wizards watching this who know exactly how this script works? If you have ever pulled off a stunt like this, let me know in the comments. I'll just upload a video with finer details and link here. We'd love to understand more details. Wait, I just saw he premiered a 1 billion hours long video. That's really crazy. And also there's a whole playlist of a billion hours long video. And he knows that YouTube going to delete it soon. So he already archived in case many people miss this craziest experiment. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.